What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Nicole and I make videos on plus size fashion. We do lots and lots of try on hauls on this channel. Sometimes the occasional makeup video and vlogs. I love vlogging and I keep telling myself vlog more, and then I don't. But I swear to you guys, it will come. Right now, just time is the issue. Time. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm a teacher. I feel like I say that in every video, but like, enough said, am I right? I spend all of my time in my classroom and with my students, so it's very difficult, but I need to make the time because I seriously enjoy filming YouTube videos so much, so I'm gonna stick to those contract hours. Anyway, all of that is beside the point. What I was trying to say is subscribe if you would like, if any of those types of videos sound of interest to you, because I would love to have you as a part of my little family here on YouTube. Anywho, today's video is a Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. Everything I'm about to show you is cozy loungewear. I do have one activewear set that, spoiler alert, I am actually wearing right now because I just didn't want to take it off. It's so comfortable. But yeah, this is more of a cozy, like loungewear type of haul. I live in loungewear. Of course I can't wear it to work, but the second I get home, I am stripping down and putting comfies on. So this, I feel like, is just the perfect haul for me. I always keep my height, my weight, and my measurements down in the description box, as well as the links to all of the clothing I'm about to show you today for easy shopping for you guys. So definitely don't forget to check that description box. I also keep my social media links down there, so follow me on Instagram if you wish. I feel like that's the app I'm most active on. Anyway, enough blabbing, let's get into this haul. All right, so I'm about to grab the first item. I wanna say that a lot of these items are like 2- and 3-piece sets. So this might be a little difficult to show you, but let me grab the first one. Okay, this is going to be very difficult to show you, but I always put a clip of me trying these stuff on, so that will give you guys a better idea of what it looks like. But the first set is the fuzziest brown pajama set. It is a 3-piece set. It comes with a little like cropped tank top. It comes with the super cozy, stretchy bottoms. And then it also comes with a floor length brown robe. And the robe does have 2 pockets in the front, which is really nice. This is probably my favorite lounge set of this whole haul. It is so cute, so comfortable. I love the color. It's super stretchy, and I want to say I did a close-up of the type of material this is. It's like that super, super fuzzy material. Cannot say enough good things about it. I picked this set up in a 3X, and I thought the fit was perfect. Okay, so the next one naturally is actually the same exact thing as that brown set, but I got it in this really pretty like teal color. It is just so freaking comfortable, you guys. I cannot. And ugh, of course it comes with all 3, the robe, the pants, and the tank top. But really just look at that color. Like, that is so pretty. So I loved the set so much, I had to get another one in just a different color scheme. So this was the second thing that I got. Okay, the next item I got is a 2-piece set, and this is like a burnt orange knitted flowy PJ top. I feel like this doesn't even have to be PJs since it's like knitted. I feel like you could actually go out in this for like a super casual look. And honestly, you could wear this sweater alone with some pants. It's just super cute. I absolutely love this burnt orange color, and it does come with the same color, same material, this like knitted material, drawstring stretch pants. Really, really cute. I just feel like this is a good, I have to run errands really quickly on a Sunday type of a fit for me. So love this. I picked this up in a 3X, and it is stretchy. Okay, next up is I'm so late to the game here because they're Christmas pants, but the softest pants I think I own. They are so soft. I just cannot get over it. They are this really pretty red like Christmas print. They have a metallic silver bow. I picked these up in a 3X as well. Honestly, I picked these up, they were on clearance, and I just knew they were gonna be the most comfortable things in the world. So picked these up and I am so glad that I did. Okay, next up I picked up another knitted two-piece set, just a cozy like loungewear set. Probably could, like I said, go run a quick little errand or something, I don't know. It just looks like a really neutral color schemed, like color block sweater for the top, and then the bottoms are just neutral knitted drawstring pants. Really adorable. I will say for this one, I picked it up in a 3X, which is the largest size they have, and I feel like it was a little snug for me. I don't know, like it does stretch a lot, but I feel like the sweater for sure, I was like, okay, I could use a little more room in this thing. But other than that, really good quality, and I do like it a lot, and I love the colors. Okay, next up is another like fuzzy, stretchy set. I feel like Fashion Nova has a lot of these types of sets on the website, which if you like them, then that's a good thing because they have a lot to pick from. So let me put that down. The first thing, once again, is this baby blue, super fuzzy, stretchy, cropped tank. And this one actually came with a pair of shorts. So I thought that was kind of cool. That was kind of different for days where it's a little bit hotter. This would be definitely a go-to. And then this set also came with a robe, but this robe is not floor length. This robe went, I don't know, is it a robe, a jacket? I don't know. This one goes like below my butt. So this is not floor length at all, but so cute. Picked it up in a 3X and thought the fit was perfect. Okay, next up I got a two-piece activewear set. It is black and white. I'm actually wearing it under this shirt. It is this black sports bra with white stripes, and then the bottoms are just like activewear pants, full length, and have the white stripes. This is so comfortable and so flattering. I just feel like it looks so good that I want to get more. I really do. I picked this up in a 3X, and I feel like the pants are almost a little bit loose. Like I probably could have gone down to a 2X. So if I do order this again, I'll probably go down a size. This next one is a bright one. It reminds me for some reason of Victoria's Secret. It is a hot pink and light pink striped like button-up onesie. It is a pretty thin material, but it's very stretchy and really soft. I liked this one a lot. This one for sure, like chilling in the house, just maybe even wearing it to bed. Picked it up in a 3X, I believe. Yes, a 3X, and I thought the fit was great. I feel like, side note, with like onesie type of PJs, I like it to be super roomy. That was definitely not roomy. It was more like form-fitting, but it was so thin and stretchy that it was still really comfortable. But if they did offer a bigger size, I would have sized up. Okay, the last item I'm going to show you today is a two-piece set. Once again, it is a brown set, but it's a little bit darker of a brown than the first set I showed you. And it is made, again, of that same super fuzzy, stretchy material. The top is a zip-up hoodie. I actually forgot about this. I feel like I said the first one was my favorite, but this one is a real contender, let me tell you. It's just a super soft zip-up hoodie. It is, it wasn't that cropped. It's just not super long, but I wouldn't really consider it cropped. But it is it cropped? Not really. I don't know. You guys tell me from the try-on portion. But it came with the zip-up, and then it came with the bottoms, and these bottoms are like bell bottoms, like really wide-legged. They're kind of more tight through the thigh, but then as you can see, that is the like where your ankles go. So it is kind of bell bottom-esque, but I really like it. Look real fashionable, let me tell you. I got it in a 3X once again, and I thought the fit was perfect. So that was it for my Fashion Nova try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have ever gotten any kind of like loungewear, cozy wear, activewear from Fashion Nova, let me know down below how you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more ideas and videos coming your way. Don't forget to check out some of my previous videos too. I just did a like Christmas vlog type of situation where you guys can bake with me and just a bunch of random stuff. Oh, in that vlog, listen, at the end, we prank my mom every Christmas. You guys just go watch the vlog, okay? I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.